Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Dasher Direct virtual card in store. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So by the way, before we give you the steps or the ways for you to use your Dasher Direct virtual card, we first have to inform you that you first have to make sure that your account is actually verified. So once you've verified your account, you're now ready to use it. Now, since your Dasher Direct virtual card is connected to the Dasher Direct app, you can add funds to it. Now, if the store accepts payments from Dasher Direct app, you can easily pay by scanning a QR code or using the Merchant Pay option. However, if the store doesn't support Dasher Direct, inquire about their accepted money app, install the app, add your Dasher Direct virtual card, and upload funds. And afterwards, simply scan the QR code or make a payment through the merchant account. Now, another way for you to use your Dasher Direct virtual card is through use of Google Pay, Samsung Pay, or Apple Pay. So Google Pay, Samsung Pay, and Apple Pay are secure digital wallets. Depending on your device, install the corresponding application and add your Dasher Direct virtual card. Then, upload funds to the wallet for in-store payments. The process is straightforward, aided by NFC technology in your phone and the point of sale or POS system. After receiving the bill, log into the digital wallet, navigate to the authorized payment section, and hold your phone near the POS screen or place it close and confirm the displayed payment amount, and your payment is complete. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.